Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Top Grate for Southbend part number 11727881. Top Grate for Southbend part number 11727881 is a replacement part for Southbend commercial cooking equipment. It is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and is designed to fit Southbend range models S36D, S60D, S90D, and S120D. The Top Grate provides a flat cooking surface that can be used to cook a variety of foods. It is easy to clean and maintain, making it an ideal choice for busy kitchens. The Top Grate also helps to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface, ensuring that food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. This Top Grate is an essential part of. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement Top Grate for Southbend range models. It is used to replace a damaged or worn-out Top Grate, which can cause issues such as uneven heat distribution, poor cooking performance, and difficulty cleaning the range. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by ensuring that the surface where the Top Grate will be installed is clean and free of debris. 2. Place the Top Grate onto the surface and align it with the existing holes in the surface. 3. Secure the Top Grate to the surface using screws or bolts, depending on what type of fasteners are provided with your Southbend part number 11727881. 4. Once all screws or bolts are in place, tighten them securely to ensure a secure fit. 5. Finally, check to make sure that all connections are secure and that there are no gaps between the Top Grate and the SIR. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.